All right, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. See what's in here. Pop, pop, pop this open. Aha! We've got part of the wand. Set that there. We've got a battery charger. We'll set that over there. We've got a battery. Set that there. And we have the body itself right there. And underneath it is another part of the wand. So it basically comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in the box. And they're very easy to assemble. This, if you're going to notice, all right, so you got this little round circle. Got a circle there. And to get this snout onto this wand, you just smack it down. Bam, bam. And then this part here, it's going to go on that circle. So you just kind of slide that baby on there. Notice the back end of it. And you just push down. Bam, done. That's it. And there's your blower all assembled. Right there. Ready to go. And now you just got to put your battery on. So let's go ahead and set her down here. Like this. There we go. And here's your battery. And if you notice, you've got a little clip on it. See that? Tells you if the battery's charged when I go like that. And then all I've got to do is just slip it on there like that. Bam, done. And then, hey, it's very simple to use. Just press this and hold it. Screw up. Screw down. And that's how you turn it off. Let's try that turn on again. Press and hold to turn on. Try it. And press to turn off. Done. And that is your blower right there.